A new COVID version known as Eris has been discovered in the UK in July 2023, prompting the government to issue a warning. The UK Health Security Agency has issued a warning about the new variation, a descendant of Omicron, as COVID cases appear to be increasing this summer. Eris was initially identified as a UK variety on the 31st of July 2023 but is now considered to be responsible for 1 in 10 COVID cases, making it the second most common in the nation. According to UKHSA, the Arcturus variety is the most common COVID-19 variety and thought to be responsible for over half of all infection cases. The top 5 symptoms of the Eris strain are runny nose, headache, mild or severe exhaustion, sneezing, and sore throat. If you have any of these symptoms, it is advised to do a COVID test. The COVID-19 pandemic may have ended, but the virus hasn't gone away. Continue to remain vigilant. Thanks for watching. If you would like a medical condition or procedure explained, post in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, so you never miss any of our upcoming videos.